Your action inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more. You are a leader. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one that gets the people to do the greatest things. Today we have CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia ji with us to share his take on leadership skills and leader. Sir, I welcome you and I would like to know how you define a leader.
Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. The leader is one, when we see, say, 1,000 people in a crowd, we will be easily identify one person out of 1,000 and will feel that that person is a leader. So how we see that person as a leader from our perception, the self-confidence, the action, assertiveness, positive. So, we are very lucky that Narendra Modi ji is like a world leader, Prime Minister of our country. So, leader is ahead of everyone. Leader is equipped with as much knowledge as possible. When we are talking about chartered accountant, CEO is a leader. And he drives the organization to increase top line sales and bottom line profit.
So how you have been a professional for 40 years now. So how has been your journey as a leader and what are your learnings?
If I recall myself from my student days, I came to Mumbai from a small village, Chidawa, after passing 4th standard. I also studied in municipal school, Mumma Devi Municipal School, Marwadi Commercial School. But my leadership, learning and fire to become leader happened when I went to Sidlam College in 1976. And there, like who is who of the whole world was there. Sydenham College was considered Asia's #1 college. And that inspired me. And, I was a top student of my college, Jijibai Cup for proficiency, top in all the years. Uday Kotak was 1 year senior to me. Mr. Uday Kotak, who is a chairman of Kotak Group. And there were many other children who were the children of the CEO and industrialist. And then I'm very lucky that I joined S.V. Gatalia and Company for my articleship. So late, Mr. S.V. Gatalia was a leader. He had authored the book on auditing, Spicer and Pegler on auditing. We used to receive almost all magazines in the world on auditing, finance, business, economics. And that inspired me. When I will start my practice, I will start like my mentor, S.V. Gatalia ji. And I did that. And then when I came to profession, I saw that there are central council members, regional council members. And then I did not look back. So the journey has been very satisfying. Like I feel dancing for every second. The past has to be always enjoyed, whatever may be the past.
Rightly said, we should learn and cherish whatever we have experienced because God knows better what is best for us.
Yes.
And really inspiring. And so I would like to know that what are the 3 major leadership roles which you cherished the most?
I feel the 3 most important quality of a leader is leader has to make everyone feel as a leader. Each team member has to be felt like a leader. That is the first quality, empathy, humanity. The second quality is leader should be prepared to do anything. talking about house, if the sweeper is not there, leader will sweep. Like, when we go to some shops or some shopping mall. So I have seen Mr. M.M. Gupta in Bombay, M.M. Mithaiwala is a big shop. Manmohan Gupta ji can also make jalebi and can stand near the kadai. So that is, then the leader is having a lot of self-confidence and integrity. Leader is always positive. The same thing can be said if some error has happened. It can be said, first we will find a positive quality of that person. We will praise that person. And then we can say how this could have been done better. Rather than, start firing in the initial stage.
Right. This boosts the morale of the team.
Yes.
So any one incident which is very precious to you as a leader?
Yeah. There are many. I remember as soon as I qualified, I used to attend Agarwal Samaj meeting. I'm a Agarwal. So, one most important, I did not wait for my result. Like I appeared in May 83 for my final CA exam. To get certificate of practice, it will be like mid of July. What I did after my May 83 exam, I took a certificate for income tax practitioner. There is a provision under Section 288 and under Bombay Sales Tax Act at that point of time as a sales tax practitioner. And I became a member of Malad Chamber of Tax Consultant. And the AGM happened, immediately after I became member. And there was a scheme, that there was a full managing committee was nominated by a few past presidents. So I stood up in the AGM. I said how this nomination has taken place. I want to serve in the managing committee and I nominate my name myself. The whole general body had to accept this proposition and I was included in managing committee. This has also happened in Institute of Internal Auditors. So I cherish that, that I had enough courage to propose myself.
Initiation is, I think, very important for a leader. You have to initiate.
Yes.
So what qualities should a young professional develop to groom themselves as a future leader? What do you suggest?
See, any human being, any person, first is the humanity and humbleness, the first quality, because that itself changes the whole perspective. The liftman is not a liftman, like when somebody salutes me, a watchman, I also salutes back to that watchman. This I learned in the Landmark Education Forum. So a respect for the human being. And then the qualities which I see in a leader is the quality of integrity, self-confidence, honesty, which I talked about earlier. But what I have not talked, the leader has to be visionary. Leader has to see what will come after 10 years, what will come after 5 years. God has given us the mental abilities of perception, memory, will, imagination, intuition, reasoning. The second is a strong confidence. Let the sky fall. Let devastating things happen. Then also the self-confidence of the leader is so high that he will see the positiveness, the innovativeness, and the delegation. See, leader has to see how leader can have 24,000 hours in a day. If I create 1,000 Rajkumar Adukia, who are my team members, then I am having 24,000 hours in a day and not 24 hours.
This is itself is mind-blowing, devastating.
So what impact that person can do? by having 24,000 hours in one day rather than 24 hours. Another small example I would like to give, this story is very fascinating to me. Suppose there are two chartered accountants. One is a CFO who gets, say, 10 lakhs per month. Another chartered accountant is newly appointed as a manager whose salary is 25,000. Now, if the manager possesses all knowledge about that company, about the industry, about accounting standards, about the laws, and if the CFO comes, very often to that manager for all the information, then the manager is a CFO and CFO is a manager. So the role of leadership is to be taken by the self from the action. I am very fascinated of this book, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. He keeps on says, at many places, if you work in an organization, as if you are the owner, 100%, owner, one day you will become the owner because you will acquire all those skills which an owner requires.
Very beautifully said that leadership is not defined by designation, but by action. What knowledge and skill you possess. It doesn't matter what designation or name you are holding on that organization. Thank you, sir. Thank you for this wonderful take on leader and leadership skill. It's going to be definitely very helpful for all our young budding professionals, people who are already in leadership skill, roles. So I thank you for devoting your precious time. Thank you, everyone.
NCA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia wishes every chartered accountant a great success.
So here we end our today's conversation, and stay tuned with our channel. Thank you very much.